I'm Rich White. I'm a senior lecturer in computing here at Wrexham Glyndŵr University, and I'm also the programme leader for all things computer games related. We actually have a very well developed games portfolio of courses here at Wrexham Glyndŵr University, and we teach everything from the conceptualisation and design elements of games right the way through to the technical development process, so things like programming and coding and technical problem solving skills.
My name is Julie Mayers. I am a senior lecturer in computing. I'm also the programme leader for the BSc in computing, as well as the degree apprenticeship for software engineering. Our courses are accredited with the British Computer Society. We offer on the degree programme an industrial placement option. We've also got the degree apprenticeship, which is linked through to industry. We are in talks on a regular basis with industries within the local area, and they will offer industrial placements.
Wrexham Glyndŵr University is one of the universities offering the degree apprenticeship run that are sponsored by the Welsh Government. At the end of the degree that I'm doing at the moment, I end up with both the normal degree apprenticeship as well as a BSc.
So it's kind of a mixture of skills. I've learned a lot of 3D modelling. On my course specifically, it's more about the business side. So I've learned more about setting up a business and what it takes to do that beyond this, because it's something a lot of people don't think about.
We have a number of excellent facilities here at the university to help support students in their studies. Our primary facility is called the Centre for Creative Industries, and that is kind of the hub of all of the creative activity in the university. So there you'll see a huge mixture of design students, technical design students, programmers, artists, all working in the same environment.
When I graduate, I'm hoping to become an environmental game designer or an asset designer for game companies.
The best part of the course so far, I'd probably say, is the tutors. They are great people to work with. They actually want to help you. The tutors are like someone you can just talk to if you need it. And also the equipment that they have here in the computer labs is second to none.
The lecturers are very supportive and helpful when it comes to students. They're always there to give you a hand if you need it. If you're struggling, they can point you in directions and help you as best they can.
One of the things that we pride ourselves on is our ability to support students in their journey on our courses. Our university is top rated for social inclusion, which means that whatever your background, we have an excellent support team that can help you make the best of your abilities.